Now Sharpie turn. Finally inside, set to go now, race number 3. Good luck to your pick 5 choices. Stand by for a dispatch. Condition race, category number 22 has just begun. We have Warrior Baby past to begin, running by the second comes Black Magic Woman. John 2 is a very close third, then followed over by Pagbabago. Third last comes Pure Imagination. Plug Ceremony second last, and Sharp Return is the early trailer. Passing the half-mile distance, they running. We have Warrior Baby in front, out by about 2. Black Magic Woman still in second, and in third, John 2. Remains in fourth comes Pagbabago. Pure Imagination comes next, Plug Ceremony second last, and Sharp Return. Inside the last 600, still we have Warrior Baby, the leader by only Alenka. Then here comes Black Magic Woman now moving a 40 outside, and also John 2. It's as they race for home. We have Black Magic Woman at the center. Racing Ari outside now is a John 2. Pure Imagination likewise now coming in closer. And down the stretch they come. It is still John 2 now by about 3 lengths, followed by Pure Imagination. Once again, Pagbabago is in the middle portion, and down to the finish. John 2 wins the race over Pagbabago, Plug Ceremony, Black Magic Woman, Pure Imagination, Clan Leader, and Warrior Baby comes in last.
Okay, 5-3-7-1 ang official na datingan dito sa race number 3. John